the wonderful sound of horns playing, and vibrant school-spirited cheers.
Chargers! Red and blue!
Setting the stage for a very special day for both Williams James Christian K-8 School and Lewis Martin Smith Middle School. This very unique space that you see here is a new technology-driven innovative learning lab for scholars at Smith Middle and WJ Christian K-8.
We know everything today is moving toward technology, and who's the best technology teachers? These students.
I would like to do something like software engineering.
Now, the Innovative Learning Lab is made possible thanks to Birmingham City Schools' collaborative partnership between Verizon, Heart of America, and Arizona State University.
We share a collective responsibility to bridge the digital divide in America's classrooms and prepare students for this changing world. These Verizon Innovative Learning Labs will transform student learning and ignite interest in STEM careers.
You see the fan right here? If you turn it on, the fan will start spinning really fast.
Tell us exactly how this lab surrounded around science, technology, engineering, and mathematics will help you in the future.
I think it'll be very important in my future life. Like, STEM is very important for future life skills. I can see it being bigger than it is now.
Through the lab, students are learning how to utilize emerging technologies such as augmented and virtual reality, along with artificial intelligence and 3D printing.
These students are able to code, everything from build, use their critical thinking skills. It is not just a lab, it is an innovative space.
You can make anything that you says right here. And you gotta use the glue able to make it.
Exactly how long have you been using this cool 3D printing, and what does it mean for you all's future?
I started this probably yesterday. Yesterday it was like a cool experience. Then we have to like put a lot of effort into it, you know? I feel like it's able to get everybody a chance to explore how to engineer.
Now, with these young scholars already showing very strong interest in STEM, Birmingham City Schools Superintendent Dr. Mark Sullivan believes many of them will be involved in our nationally recognized career academies in high school.
We really want to build a pipeline, and so you want to make sure the kids are engaged in the middle school, engaged in elementary school, so when they go to high school and they have all of these choices, all of these academy choices, they can say, okay, we did this in middle school, I like engineering, and I know that they have an engineering academy at this high school, and they can apply to be a part of that.
How long did it take for that to be made?
6 hours.
6 hours. Wow. Now, this Innovative Learning Lab represents a nearly $500,000 investment that aligns with our district's strategic goals. I'm Jalen Holloway, BCS Media.